Most traders will look at this move and think the market is breaking out to the upside. And that is exactly where they get trapped. Because what looks like strength here is actually engineered buying, designed to pull you into the wrong side of the market. In this breakdown, I'm going to show you how the move was planned before it even started, and why the real direction was always down. Now, the first thing I look for is structure. And here, we get a clear, bearish break. Even though price just moved up, this break tells me the strength is not real. It is actually weakening behind the scenes. Then this level starts acting as inducement. It gives buyers confidence to enter, thinking the market will continue higher. But in reality, this is where the trap is built, because smart money needs those buy orders before pushing price down. Before price makes the real move. Notice this behavior here. Instead of moving cleanly, price starts slowing down, forming small candles and staying in the same area. This tells me the market is not trending freely anymore. Something is happening behind the scenes. I am not entering here, just marking this zone, because this type of price action usually comes before a strong move, and we will come back to this later. Now watch how price reacts as it comes back into this area. This is the supply zone, the place where selling pressure previously entered the market. As price taps into it again, we do not see strong continuation upward. Instead, the move starts losing strength. Then the market pushes slightly lower and takes out nearby lows. This is the sell-side liquidity being swept. And this shift tells me one thing. Buyers are getting cleared and sellers are stepping in. Now this is where the execution becomes clear. Everything is already in place. The supply zone has been respected and liquidity has been taken. I'm not chasing the move. I wait for price to show rejection from this area. Once I see that shift, I enter the sell, because the conditions are already aligned. This is not prediction, this is reacting to confirmation at the right location. Now the important question is, why target this level directly? Because from the beginning, the market was not moving randomly. It was building toward this liquidity. Every step, the inducement, the reaction from supply, and the sweep, was aligning price in that direction. So instead of taking partial exits or guessing targets, I focus on where the move is most likely engineered to go. And in this case, that objective is clear. Price is drawn toward the sell-side liquidity. Now remember earlier when I told you something was building in this area? This is where it becomes clear. When I mark the fixed range volume profile, you can see the point of control forming here, showing where most of the trading activity took place. Then price breaks below that level with a strong bearish candle. And that is the confirmation. This is not just a reaction, it is continuation. Because when price leaves the point of control with momentum, it shows that sellers are fully in control, pushing price toward liquidity. So now you can see the full model clearly. We started with structure, identified the inducement, waited for price to return into supply, and watched liquidity get taken before entering the trade. Then, instead of guessing targets, we used logic, understanding that price was always moving towards sell-side liquidity, with volume confirming continuation to the point of control. This is how you stop reacting and start reading the market with clarity. And if you are serious about learning this approach in depth, make sure you follow Discount Trader, because this is just one part of a much bigger model. If you want a complete step-by-step breakdown of this exact concept, comment "breakdown" below.